God message for you today. This is my comfort in my affliction, for your word has given me life. You shall increase my greatness and comfort me on every side. You are not defined by your mistakes, you are defined by God's grace. He loves you no matter what. Under His wings you will find refuge. Then you shall call, and the Lord will answer. You shall cry, He will say, Here I am. I will wipe away your tears. Be still and know that I am with you. God can restore what is broken and change it into something amazing. All you need is faith. You are the God who performs miracles. You display your power among the people. Let your hope make you glad. Be patient in time of trouble and never stop praying. Arise, for it is your task, and we are with you. Be strong, bold, and courageous. If you believe in God, type Yes, Lord.